Hey YouTube, what's going on? I'm Simon King here in HD. Yes, now all my videos will be in HD quality, so make sure you go and check that out. The little button down here somewhere. Since we're talking about HD, this video tutorial is going to be on how to upload your videos in HD format on YouTube. So, first thing, before you do anything, you're going to want to get Camtasia Studio 6. If you've owned Camtasia Studio or you've had Camtasia Studio at all, you know this is some good software. Um, I had Camtasia Studio 5, loved it. 6 is even better. So go and get this. This is where you need to go to get it. It's going to be a website called techsmith.com, and it's going to be right here. You can buy, try, or explore. I recommend you just click try, just to see what it's like. I do really recommend you do get this, but go ahead and try just for now. I do have the full version, thanks to Vista Meets Nick. He kindly donated this to me for YouTube purposes and everything like that. So Nick, if you're watching this, a special thanks goes out to you. Um, so once you've installed Camtasia Studio 6, you're gonna want to open it up, and you're gonna want to get a video ready, some kind of video clip. You can even record like a 1 minute video on the Camtasia Studio screen recorder. Doesn't really matter. But you're going to want to get that ready because what we're going to do is make a preset, and the presets allow you to make multiple settings for video, you know, quality and audio, things like that. So this is how we're going to make our preset. Go to Produce and click Batch Production. This is where you want your video, your little clip. Doesn't matter what it is, you're just making a preset. So just go ahead and click Add File a Project. Click anything that you have. I got a little clip here that I made earlier. Click Next. This also doesn't matter either. You can click down this list and click anything you want. It doesn't really matter. But you're going to want to make sure you have use one production preset for all the files and projects. So click on Preset Manager and then click New. And then title your preset anything you want. So something like YouTube HD format. Something you can recognize that you want to select when you want to produce your video. So under File Format, you want to click MOV. It's a QuickTime Movie extension. If you don't have QuickTime, you're going to have to download it. I didn't have it, so I had to download it, but it's all worth it in the end. Trust me, this video here is going to tell you. So click Next, and you're going to want to click QuickTime Options. You want to make sure you have video and sound both checked. So go up to your video settings. I'm pointing to the screen like you can see. I don't know why I'm doing that. But anyway, you're going to want under motion frame rate 30 frames per second. Leave everything else how it is. And for compressor quality, you want to go to best. And for encoding, right under that, click best quality multipass. Then you're done. Just click OK. Nothing over in the data rate or anything needs to be changed. Okay, click OK, and then your sound settings, you're going to want to click settings for that. Compressor is going to be left as MPEG-4 audio, and then you're going to change the rate to 48.000 and use stereo settings because you don't want mono. Mono meaning one stereo. You want, both stereos to work on this. It's going to really mess up your audio if you don't. So click OK, and then OK, and then you're pretty much you're almost done here. So click Next, and then after you've done your custom size, you want to make sure you have your custom size selected. That's what I'm trying to get to you. Couldn't get it out for a second. 1280 by 720. There it is. That's YouTube HD format. Make sure you have that settings because that's what you're really going to need. So it should look just like this. Background color really doesn't matter. You can do anything you want. I just leave it as black. So click Next, and you can do a little watermark or something like that. I've heard it's pretty cool. I don't do it. I don't do it, but you can click Include Watermark and see how that works out. Then just click Finish, and then you're done. So now you have your YouTube HD format. I'm gonna go ahead and open up a project. Um, let's see. I'm looking in the wrong area. Uh, Here we go. Let me go to my videos and just open up anything that I've previously recorded or something like that. There we go. Okay. And you're gonna click and drag it down to your timeline. Once you've done that, this window is what's important. Your preset that you've made before, that's what you want to gonna click on. YouTube HD video, that's what I have mine labeled as. And after you've done that, you want to click keep aspect ratio. Then click OK. And you're done. This is it. You already made your preset for YouTube HD, which is really nice, you know? And you know what? When you start recording, your Camtasia Studio, make sure you have the file size, the video recording size big enough, because if you record in a little, you know, and then expect to do HD, it's not going to work out as well. So after you've done that, all you have to do is pretty much do produce video. You've already done this. We don't actually have to do that. And then click next. Here we go. Produce video as, and then use your preset. You're going to want to select your preset again, then click next, and it's going to render and everything else. So you're good to go. You're going to be in HD. If you have any questions, comments, please email me at m7king716@gmail.com. Follow me on Twitter, twitter.com/m7king. Make sure you follow Twitter, because there's going to be video updates and stuff like that I'll announce on Twitter. So, you know, subscribe. Please rate as many stars as you think this video deserves. This is M7King. Thanks for watching.